Good morning students, this is Bhavna Sinha, your chemistry teacher, and this is the second video for this week. As you all know, we are discussing the chapter metallurgy, so let us write its definition here. It is just extraction of metals. Okay, so we have discussed some of the steps of metallurgy in the last class, like concentration of ore is there, then conversion of concentrated ore into the oxide form, then reduction is there, and then refining is there. Now we are going to proceed further today. You can see I have just tried to write the definition of metallurgy here also in a different manner, because you are knowing about it, we have discussed about it. So it is written here, you can see the art and science of procuring and adapting metals to satisfy human requirements. Okay, when we extract metals from their ores, those metals are used to satisfy the requirement of human beings. Okay, metals are used for various purposes, like metals are used in musical instruments. That's why, due to the property of sonority of metal, the metals are used in musical instruments. Metals are also used in the preparation of parts of different machines and electrical appliances. Okay, so metals are of much use, that is why they are extracted from ores. Now what are ores? We should know this also. Ores are the minerals from which metals can be extracted. Okay, so ores are the minerals from which metals can be extracted. So here I have written art and science of procuring and adapting metals to satisfy human requirement. Okay, now this field, the field of metallurgy, is called extractive actually metallurgy is of three types: extractive metallurgy, mechanical metallurgy, and physical metallurgy. And we have to read about which metallurgy? Extractive metallurgy. We have to read about this extractive metallurgy only, because we have to extract the metals from their respective ores. Okay, in mechanical metallurgy we use the mechanical processes for extracting the metals from their respective ore. And physical metallurgy is generally used in thermodynamics, physical chemistry, alloying. Okay, alloying means formation of alloys. So overall we are going to discuss about how metals are being extracted from respective ore in this section. Okay, ores we have discussed. Ores are the minerals from which metals can be extracted economically. Now what is the meaning of economically? There is a term economically, means profitable. Means you can get profit by extracting the metal from that respective ore. that is called economically or profitable method. So this we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, students.